Hello traders, the title of the video is how to use simple key support and resistance levels tips. Let's get started. This is a short tutorial. Probably you have been using that trading tips before. Just a wake-up call, okay, if you have stopped using that simple support and resistance trading tips, especially if you are swing trading. All right, if you are swing trading, you are looking for the best trading setup, okay, that will allow you to remain in the trade for 3 or more days. All right, and also if you are an active day trader that is probably taking maybe 5 trades per day, all right, or for more experienced trader taking more than 10 trades per day, you want to give yourself the best trading setup using key support and resistance level. This is what I'm talking about. You can see here. This is a very nice example here. All right. Look at this section here. There was this support here, you see, we probably form a double bottom here. The double bottom is a validation of support level. The double top is a validation of resistance level. All right. So when you see a valid support level, you can highlight it on your chart. You can highlight it even on the weekly chart, on the monthly chart, and then you can switch to the lower time frame, all right, to make trading decisions. Stay with me, please. So you can see this was a valid support level. All right? Look. So when you see that you highlight it, if the price, okay, at one point, maybe in the future, or you can go now and look for financial instruments that are retesting or coming near a prior valid support level or a prior valid resistance level. So at this point in time, we are watching it. It's coming near a valid support level. We are interested in that price action. So we will be monitoring it. It couldn't come near it very much, but as soon as the common settlement is broken, it's turning around here, we'll start thinking that, well, there are probably buyers a bit eager than before, trying to get into the trade, okay, before it even touches the valid support level. All right. Sometime, you see, we have a valid support level. As the prior was trying to retest, you see here, if the common settler is broken, you see here, it's broken, you'll be saying, which support level have they preferred? The reason why it was turning around here is because of another key level here. Can you see here? Am I talking to myself? You see, it went up here and turned around. It went around. So anytime you see a price changing directionally or the common settler is broken, ask yourself, which level has he retested? So he was coming near the valid support level, but he stopped here, and now we are interested in that. So in fact, there is a general rule or a market principle is that a higher low above a valid support level is a high probability trading setup. The next one is this. A lower high below a valid resistance level is a high probability trading setup. That's why we say to traders that the first higher low that follow a double bottom chart pattern is a high probability trading setup, and the first lower high that follows a double top chart pattern is a valid bearish trading setup. It's a high probability bearish trading setup. So you see, so I want to show you another example because we want to keep it very short. Don't we? All right. All right. So now let's bring this line here, but that's see here. So now we have what we call a valid resistance level. See here, a double top is a valid resistance level. So we can draw it as we did this one here, leave it on our chart, and now we want to see a retest. So here it is. Here it didn't come very close to it. Here, this one recently, look at this one, came quite close near a valid support level. So you can go around now if you are a swing trader. What you need to do, practice first and try to use that in conjunction with a different time frame trading method. If you are a swing trader, you must master a top-down trading method. If you are new to top-down trading method, just YouTube search the phrase mastering top-down trading method by 24 stock trader, digit 2, digit 4 stock trader. And you'll see a playlist of 5 videos that will help you to master a top-down trading method. So this is again a good one. So you can go around and find a value support level and try to work with that. Okay, so now here we just have a normal support level. See, here is a normal support level. We may argue that it's a value support level if we say that this was a support here before, and again it was a second support here. But look, again, near a support, prior support level, the price came down again that zone. And this is what you want to concentrate on all the time. The support and a resistance level that have a proven record. All right, look at this one. It's another double top. There was a top and a top here. You see, it's a resistance level. So this one here, this is a lower high below a value resistance level. It's a high probability trading setup. But the price went down just 2 months. But you will be interested in this trade. Yeah. Now, if the price breaks above a value resistance level and finds support, that's a high probability. Okay, bullish trading setup. So here it breaks above that resistance level. Look at this. Can you see about this one? It's not by mistake. It was okay. Is it dragonfly? However you call it, this one. All right. See, a long tail fills into a key level. All right. It's a nice that a breakable retest. Now, if we color that a little bit into, I want to change the color of that so you may see. I'm trying to get your attention. Have I managed to do that? If I did, then I'm a happy person. All right. Let's go quickly to the hourly time frame. See, pay attention to the red line. Do we have any setup? See how the price was retesting on the hourly time frame. Even if you are day trading using the hourly time frame, you know that this red line is a valid resistance on the monthly chart. Now the price breaks above, you're retesting it on the hourly time frame. Those are the trades you want to give consideration to, you see here. All right. So a lot of people will be wondering, why is he retesting the level 19191? That's a beautiful number, 19191. Well, because it's finding the support. It's bouncing on it like a tennis ball. Here it formed. This is a nice one here on the hourly time frame. It formed. Oh, right. I'll move it a bit. My beautiful number, 19191. You like that? Okay. So somewhere there. Okay. Form. Hold on, please. I'll get there in a minute. We want to keep it short, so I'm wrapping it up now. Okay. An inverted head and shoulder chart pattern above a valid resistance level. It's a high probability to setup. Okay. Right. So this is just a short tutorial, right, about how to use a simple key support and resistance level tips. So it's a shout out for traders to wake up call, especially for those who have forgotten, all right, or those that are discounting it. Have you been discounting that? That's not good. Okay. A lot of blah 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 going on here. So if you have any questions, suggestions, okay, blah blah blah, put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down. However, if you think that, George, you have done a very good job today, feel free to share it on the social website, okay, Tumblr, Twitter, Facebook, Scoop it, you name it, all right? Subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Our YouTube channel is 24 Stock Trader, digit 2, digit 4 Stock Trader. Be sure to click on the notification bell, so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to use a simple key support and resistance levels tips. Thank you for watching. and I will speak to you soon.